nurse said us the main care problem is the staff shortage. The fine art of reading the situation and feeling the needs of the dying people are nearly impossible to perform. The relatives. Relatives who cares for their people are often in fear of responsibility and react with panic if the situation of the patient gets worse. And in urgent situation, it was. They were overstressed by the caring for dying family members, and in Germany, I think it's all over Europe. We have a demographic and societal change. Means the before in the history before, often the daughters cared for their family members. And now the daughters, they don't want it, and on the other side, they are not able to do it because they are not living in the city. They are must be mobile. They have to work. They have to care for their children, and so they had a lot of jobs to do. And it's no more possible to care for the other family members.